Try to get them in the frame of the nails. Get her in closer. And now you're gonna cure it for 30 seconds quick. This one is gonna be full 60 seconds. I'm sorry, we're gonna cure 60 seconds because we're not putting anything else on it. It looks cool, it's grab right on that pumpkin. All right, so 60 seconds on this nails. Keep it so then it won't run for me. Hey Whitney, hi Maya, hi Nuna, hi Foxy, hello, hi Debbie. Hey Robo's Beauty, hi Livras. Thanks so much for tuning in today. That is kind of fun, and then I can use it again for the next design. And I'll be right back. Wait, that nails is done. Maybe we can do precision glue on this nails right away. And we'll be done with this. I'm not using that precision glue. Before, I was really afraid of to do a lot of like crystal placements because I afraid it's gonna catch everything. Now with this precision glue, the third step of Trifecta will help seals all the cracks and the edges of the crystal. So I'm going to check with this little skeleton right there, and then all the crystal right here. If I miss any spot or if you're still sketchy because of the precision that the crystal is laying on, if it does, fill it in. I'm filling it all. I check it first before I squeeze anything because each time you're using, you don't need to use a whole lot. Little go a long way, and then you can go back after you cure it and then check it again, and you can seal it again to make sure they all stay sealed completely. Before that, I am going to, can I get that in? No. Okay. I'm using the brush and give it a quick blend before I cure it again. All right, so now we're gonna cure for 60 seconds, and absolutely you can even like go back and seal it again at any edges because this is really cool crystal placement. So we'll make sure that we seal it really well, so then you and your clients can be sit back and ensure that you get a lot of like seal in this design. So okay, cure for 60 seconds. This now will be done.